If you want to remove the Calendly logo branding, the good news is that the process is still very simple, even though the branding settings have changed a little from the old interface. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to update your Calendly branding so your scheduling page looks more professional and matches your organization. If this tutorial helps, please go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Calendly account using the browser you normally use to manage your scheduling settings. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Admin Center. This is where Calendly keeps the account level settings for your organization, including branding options. Go ahead and click Admin Center. After that, you'll see a list of settings and tools for your Calendly account. From here, select Branding. This is the section where you can customize how your Calendly pages look to visitors and clients. Now, in the branding area, you'll need to enter your organization name. This is important because Calendly uses your organization details as part of your branded setup. Make sure the name is spelled correctly and matches the name you want people to see. Next, look for the organization logo section. Under that, click Upload. This is where you'll add your own logo image so that your branding appears more professional and personalized. Once you click Upload, browse your computer or device and select the logo image you want to use. Choose a clear image file that looks good on Calendly pages, ideally a simple logo with good resolution. After the file uploads, double-check that it appears correctly in the preview. If everything looks good, the final step is to click Save Changes. This will apply your updated branding across your Calendly account. And that's the key part here. Instead of a separate old-style Remove Logo button, Calendly now encourages you to replace the default look with your own organization branding. So if your goal is to get rid of the Calendly logo branding, uploading your own organization logo and filling in your organization name is the correct way to customize the experience. Once your changes are saved, your scheduling page should reflect your updated branding. If you still want to make adjustments, you can always go back into Admin Center and update the logo or organization name again. That's all it takes. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.